Hey YouTube family, so as you can see, we received several packages, multiple packages in the mail. None of these are metals per se, but they are all related to, in some way. I actually wanted to wait until Monday or Tuesday because we have more packages coming with other cool stuff that pertains to some of this. But since these are here, we'll go ahead and see what's inside. All right, so let's first clear some room here. All right, and actually the first package I'm going to open, I am a veteran, served in the military post 9/11, and I'm all about veteran-owned companies, as AG Metals is. And so I have a monthly membership to receive a brand new shirt every month from a veteran-owned company called Grunt Style. So let's see what their shirt is for the month of March. It's normally related to some type of holiday. Yep, there we go. Let's get shammered. All right, cool, with the 4-leaf clover on there. I'm not going to pull it out quite yet because they have a free return policy. You get 100% credit for the store, and I don't know if I'm gonna need a Shamrock shirt, so we'll put that one on hold for now. All right, and let's see what's in this box. I really have no idea what are in each of these individual boxes, so I'm going to find out with you. All right, excuse me. All right, and boom. All right. Oh, this is the bag. All right, so this will kind of give away what we have coming on Monday. We got a metal detector. And so here's the bag for it. Cool. That's going to be our little carrying bag. Cool stuff. All right. Next box. Back up. All right. The Z-Dog is here. Interested in the packages. Right. He seems like he's more interested than we are. All right, let's see what's in here. Okay, there's the sand scoop. Cool. And the digger. All right. So we have the digger and the scoop to sift that which we metal detect. Pretty nice, comes with a sheath. All right, not bad size. Looks like it's a little scratched up there right out the box, but we're gonna get it really scratched up, so not a big deal. All right, so that'll sit like that. All right, sit right in the bag. All right, and then what is this? I wonder. I think that's all that's in the box. And this is, I bet, batteries. I bet this is the 9-volt batteries for the Bounty Hunter. Yep, that's what it is. All Alright, so it's powered by 9-volt batteries. So I got a bunch of 9-volt batteries from Amazon. Alright, now here, this is going to be an eBay package. Let's see what's in here. All right, so this is, we went ahead and invested in some home security. So I got a couple cameras, 4 cameras to be exact. Got 2 of the 2 cameras packages. So I'll go ahead and install those today. Looks like these have been previously used. So I guess maybe they upgraded to the Blink 2 and sold their old ones. Either way, we got a pretty good deal on it. So, alright, and this then I believe is the mounts. So I can mount these on the wall. Keep our home nice and secured. Yep, that's what it is. Mounts. Alright, cool. So if I just discovered this, if you guys don't know, Amazon has the Blink series, and it's pretty cool. If you have an Amazon Prime account, you can get this security system, and it automatically records to the cloud of your Amazon account, and then you have the notifications that come straight to your phone. All right, well, there it is. That's it. Short video. That was a lot of packages. They went rather quick. Thanks for tuning in. If you like what you see, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.